There are moments in life when everything feels heavy, when your mind is tired, your heart is exhausted, and your soul feels like it's carrying more than it can handle. Moments when you sit in silence, and even breathing feels like a struggle. That's what it feels like to be broken. And maybe right now, that's exactly where you are. You feel lost, you feel drained, you feel like you've given everything and still ended up with nothing. But listen carefully, because this moment, this pain, this version of you is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your transformation. Being broken doesn't mean you're weak. It doesn't mean you failed. It means you tried. It means you cared. It means you pushed yourself beyond your limits, and life hit you back hard. But here's the truth nobody tells you. The strongest people you admire, the ones who look unstoppable, the ones who inspire millions, they were broken too. They cried in silence. They doubted themselves. They questioned everything. But the difference? They didn't stay there. You see, rock bottom is not where your story ends. It's where your foundation begins. Because when you lose everything, you finally become free. Free from fear. Free from expectations. Free from pretending. And in that moment, you get a choice. Stay broken or rebuild yourself. Right now, your mind is telling you to quit, to give up, to stop trying, because it hurts too much, because you're tired, because you don't see results. But your mind is not always your ally. Sometimes it's the thing holding you back, because growth is painful. Healing is uncomfortable, and becoming the strongest version of yourself. That requires you to go through the fire. You weren't meant to stay comfortable. You were meant to evolve. And evolution comes with pain. Think about it. Every breakdown in your life, every failure, every heartbreak has taught you something. It forced you to grow. It forced you to become stronger, even when you didn't want to. So don't hate this moment. Don't run from it. Don't numb it. Feel it. Embrace it. Because this pain is shaping you into someone unstoppable. Right now, you feel like you're falling apart. But what if you're actually falling into place? What if everything that's breaking you is actually building you? Building your strength, building your mindset, building your future. You think you're losing, but maybe you're learning. You think you're failing, but maybe you're being prepared. Prepared for something bigger, something stronger, something that requires a version of you that hasn't been created yet. And that version is being built right now. In the pain, in the struggle, in the moments where you feel like giving up. So what do you do when you feel broken? You don't quit. You don't disappear. You don't surrender. You fight, not with the world, but with yourself. You fight the voice that says you can't. You fight the doubt. You fight the fear. You fight the version of you that wants to stay small, because deep inside, there's another voice. A quiet one, but powerful. The one that says, keep going, even when you're tired. Try again, even when you failed. Stand up, even when you fall. That voice is the real you. And it's still there, even now. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to take one step, one small step forward. That's it. Because progress, no matter how small, is still progress. And one day, you'll look back at this moment, this pain, this struggle, and you'll realize this is where everything changed. This is where you decided to stop being a victim and start becoming a warrior. So if you feel broken right now, good, because broken things can be rebuilt, stronger, smarter, unstoppable. You are not done. You are not finished. You are not defeated. You are being rebuilt. So stand up, wipe your tears, take a deep breath, and remind yourself, this is not the end. This is your comeback. Because one day, your story will inspire others. One day, your pain will become your power. One day, the person who felt broken will become the person who never breaks. But that day depends on what you do today. So don't quit. Not now, not here, not after everything you've been through. You've survived too much to give up now. And if you're still here, still listening, still breathing through the pain, then understand something. You are stronger than you think, because weak people don't fight this hard. Weak people don't keep going when everything inside them is screaming to stop. But you're still here, and that matters. There will be days when getting out of bed feels like a battle, when your thoughts are louder than your dreams, when your past keeps reminding you of everything that went wrong. And in those moments, it's easy to believe that this is all your life will ever be: pain, struggle, disappointment. But don't believe everything you feel, because feelings, they lie, they change, they come and go like waves. And just because you feel broken today doesn't mean you'll feel this way forever. You have to remind yourself, this is temporary. This pain, temporary. This struggle, temporary. This version of you, temporary. But what you do in this moment, that's permanent. Because this is where character is built. This is where discipline is created. This is where you decide who you're going to become. You can let this moment destroy you, or you can let it define you. Because every time life knocks you down, you have two options: stay on the ground, or rise stronger. And rising doesn't mean you feel powerful. It doesn't mean you suddenly have everything figured out. It means you move forward, even when you're scared, even when you're unsure, even when you're still hurting. That's real strength, not perfection, not confidence, but persistence. You don't need to wait for motivation, because motivation is unreliable. Some days it shows up, most days it doesn't. But discipline stays. Discipline is what carries you when motivation disappears. So on the days you feel broken, don't wait to feel better. Act anyway. Move anyway. Push anyway. Take one step, just one, even if it's small, even if it feels meaningless, because those small steps, they add up. They create momentum. They rebuild you piece by piece. You don't fix your life overnight. You rebuild it daily. Through habits, through consistency, through showing up, even when you don't feel like it. And let's be real. Nobody is coming to save you. No one is going to fix your problems. No one is going to do the work for you. And that might sound harsh, but it's also powerful. Because it means your life is in your control. You have the power to change your story. You have the power to rewrite your future. You have the power to become someone you haven't even imagined yet. But it starts with a decision to stop running, a decision to stop blaming, a decision to stop giving up, and instead, start building, start growing, start fighting for your life. Because the truth is, you didn't come this far just to break down and quit. You didn't survive all those hard days just to give up now. Everything you've been through, every failure, every rejection, every sleepless night, every tear, it wasn't for nothing. It was preparing you, sharpening you, testing you, because life doesn't give the hardest battles to the weakest people. It gives them to the ones who are capable of rising. And that's you. Even if you don't believe it yet, even if you can't see it yet, even if you're doubting yourself right now, it's still you. There is greatness inside you. But greatness doesn't come easy. It demands sacrifice. It demands patience. It demands that you keep going when everything feels impossible. So, yes, you're tired. Yes, you're hurting. Yes, you feel broken. But you are not done. This is just a chapter, not the whole story. And one day, this chapter will make sense. One day, you'll look back and realize this pain built your strength. This struggle built your mindset. This moment built the person you needed to become. But for now, you just have to keep going. Not perfectly, not flawlessly, just consistently. Even if all you can do today is survive, that's enough. Because survival leads to strength. And strength leads to growth. And growth leads to a new life. A life where you're not controlled by your past. A life where you're not defined by your pain. A life where you stand strong, no matter what comes your way. So don't rush the process. Don't compare your journey. Don't expect instant results. Just trust that every step forward is taking you somewhere better. And if nobody has told you this, I will. You matter. Your story matters. Your pain matters. But more importantly, your future matters. So don't give up on it. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever. Because one day, everything you're going through right now will turn into something powerful. And when that day comes, you won't just be proud that you made it. You'll be proud that you didn't quit. So keep going, no matter how slow, no matter how hard, no matter how broken you feel. Keep going. Subscribe for new videos every day.